मैं जट यमला पगला दीवाना, मैं जट यमला पगला दीवाना, ओ रब्बा किसी बात न जाना के ओ मैनू प्यार करदी है, साडे उत्ते वो मरदी है.
It's a lost and found subject. It's basically my mom and me and my dad and Bobby, we all get separated when we were smaller. I'm with my mother in Canada, where I'm now married and I have 2 small kids, married to a foreign lady. And I'm working at a bank and I'm a recovery officer over there. And suddenly one of my clients who had visited India visits my house and suddenly realizes that photograph which he sees on the wall happens to be the person who mugged him in Banaras. And that's how I come to know my dad is still and Bobby are still, they both are there in Banaras, and I decide with my mother that I'll go and, I'm sure when I'll see him, they will want to come back and everything will be so beautiful. But then the minute I get there, then the whole scenario changes and it gets into a roller coaster of different events, different things happening. From there, from Banaras, we end up going to Punjab and there's a love story to it, and how I eventually try to convince them to get them back, and how they keep pulling my leg all the time, not agreeing to that I'm their brother or a son. So it's a very interesting subject. Apne also took us a long time because we were trying to in search of a subject, and unless the subject is not, that becomes a gimmick of putting us all three together. So subject is very important, and that's why Apne also took so long. And after Apne, then we decided why should we do we have to do a film which is absolutely opposite genre. So then we were hunting around for scripts, and we had come across a script with Bob and Dad, which is very interesting. I had this idea which was with me and Bob, and when we started developing it, I had the new writer called Jassi. He and Sami, they sat on developing, and then suddenly we saw the script is opening out for another character, and then that's how we all three the characters started piling up into that script.
एक पैग पीने को कहा था, पूरी बाल्टी पी ली. Just risky. After Balti whiskey.
Idea was not a part. Idea was just with Bob and me, and then we started probing into the idea, and then definitely we had Dad's character come in, and then we were very excited because it was taking a good turn. And then they sat down and they kept on scripting for a couple of months, and we went through lots of drafts till we finalized the thing. And that time also we didn't have this title. The title we got just before we went on for shooting of the film is when we got the title, because we were trying to hunt a title, we couldn't get a proper one, and suddenly we were talking about Yamla Pagla Divana, the song, and that's how we got the title. And then Dad spoke to Sachin, and he was very graceful to give the title to Papa.
और माँ कसम, तुम्हारी तो शादी होने वाली है. नहीं हो रही शादी, तो फिर मैं किसकी शादी में आया? बहुत सारा confusion है.
We all live together. We're a joint family, so it's not any different when we're working. Yeah, definitely. At that moment, we are portraying certain characters, what we are. So obviously, on the set, atmosphere is basically according to what the scenario of the subject and what the scenario of what we have that at the moment with the film. And it gives us a great opportunity to be together, because when we're in Bombay, either I'm somewhere else shooting, Dad is somewhere else, Bobby is somewhere else. We don't meet that much as we do when we're working together. So that's a good point about it.
तुम दोनों की हिम्मत कैसे हुई हमारे इलाके में आने की?
ओए, इलाका कुत्तों का होता है, भैंड के टके, शेर का नहीं.
No, I don't do that. It's not for any other reason. I mean, it's not that you can't. I find it much more easier to grow your own beard, because then one thing, you don't have to keep touching it up all the time, sticking it. And so when you don't do that, then it becomes very easy and comfortable to enact. Otherwise, you all the time, like this, you're talking, you can't even open your lips and everything properly, because it becomes difficult. I find it very difficult. So.
अबे धर्म, तू बहुत बड़ा कमीना है यार.
Very small when the film released, and I remember seeing the film, and it was a very film which I loved a lot. And come to dancing, you know, I'm very bad. I'm too shy as a dancer, so उस चीज़ से हमेशा मैं दूर भागता रहा हूँ. But of late in my films, I've accepted the fact that my audience loves me and they don't mind me, even if I'm not a perfect dancer. I just need to enjoy the music. So that's what I keep doing in all my films of late. See, remaking is very, I don't see any harm in it, but I just feel that a film which was made earlier on had a magic of the actor's personality, the directors, and the period and what the situations were that time. So we cannot recreate that charm again, and so you'll always be compared to that, and you cannot better that. So why go for it? You may take the idea or something, but don't try to make this American film, which was the Italian Job. When they made an Italian Job, it was nothing to do with all they had was this minis, which they had something which was a common factor, and how they do a heist over there and how these robbers work around. Otherwise, it didn't have any similar story. I don't know. I said, if 27 years ago you would have spoken to me about this, I wouldn't have known. 27 years, wow, that's going to be too long. But now it looks like this is a flash of a second. 27 years have gone by. And I've had a great time, and I'm looking forward to a much greater time, much ahead of me in the future. So all I can say is that I would love to do a lot of great cinema, and that can only happen if our films are successful.
तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? वहाँ जाके लड़ क्यों नहीं रहे?
अरे जब धर्मेंद्र और सनी देओल लड़ रहे तो बॉबी देओल क्या करे?
The whole country is going through a change. Everywhere things are changing, and earlier on changes used to take a little slower. Now they're moving very fast. I think they're moving too fast right now. And from the cinema point of view, yeah, obviously the genre has changed, the makers have changed, the corporates have come in, multiplexes have come in. And so the catering and the people funding have all been different. The directors are new a lot. So all these things have been there, but unfortunately we have had talent. There's been a lot of talent around, but not the great talent of the genre which was there way back in earlier years. And again, the cinema, to me, and entertainment means a film which has to either entertain you emotionally or comically or with a positive thing, or make you feel like one should not fear anything in life, or to be on different kind of emotions a human being has. Those emotions, it has to touch some part of your emotion, and if the film doesn't touch you, to me that's not entertainment. That's what I take it basically.
वो दिन गए जब टैंकी पे चढ़ने से बात बन जाती थी. और सरदार तू खाम का बीच में घुसाता है यार.
I think Gadar, basically, financially, it's one of the biggest hits, because that time the ticket rates and the ticket ratios right now is very different. And secondly, that time there was no transparency of the collections, so it's very difficult to gauge that right now. But that time film ran for so many weeks and so many households. And I think most of the films which ran earlier on have done much more business than what films are doing off late, if you compare the ratio basically.
ऐसा नहीं होता तो वो ऐसे शर्माती ना, मुझे आते देख सड़क पे भाग जाती ना.
I was directing a film, Man, which I had to put on hold because of this film. Once this film releases, then definitely I'll get back to that film and then take it up from where I have left it.